Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all its contents. This step is crucial for gaining proper access to the filter housing. You won't need many tools, just a new cabin air filter. Make sure you have the correct filter for your vehicle model. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Now let's get to the filter. On the right side of the glove box, you'll find a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip it. Next, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to clear the stopper tabs. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the rectangular cover that protects the cabin air filter. It's a straightforward process, requiring minimal force. With the glove box down, you'll see the filter cover. There are usually two small clips on either side. Unfasten these to remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed in the same direction. Slide the new filter into place, ensuring it fits snugly without bending. Almost done. Once the new filter is in, snap the filter cover back into place, making sure both clips are secure. Then, lift the glove box and push the sides inward slightly to re-engage the stopper tabs. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Finally, close the glove box and give it a quick test to ensure it latches correctly. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.